New generation top-mounted freezer. It adds a twist to the traditional top freezer refrigerators. It's exquisite, elegant, and extraordinary. To ensure the best user experience, we have conducted endless research to bring you a refrigerator that you can rely on. There are 3 different types of handles: side hidden, eclipse, and bridge handle. All 3 handles were ergonomically designed to fit right into your hands. The Diamond Touch display adds a clean, sharp, but simple look to exterior design. The Easy Slim dispenser is designed so that it doesn't cut into any precious storage space inside. The refrigerator is equipped with innovative features to ensure you find your products with ease. The twin ice former, crystal ice tray, and multi-box are all features in the freezer sector that adds to your ice-making experience. Cool Keeper Shelf preserves cool, fresh air for a longer period of time. The glass shelf can hold up to 100 kilograms of weight. Moreover, the adjustable shelf can contain leaks and spills for easier cleanup. Vents are placed strategically to ensure that cool, fresh air is distributed evenly to all corners of the fridge. Farmer's Case captures the freshness and crispiness in fruits and vegetables by maintaining the optimum moisture level. The U-handle makes it easier to open and close the drawer with just a simple tug. The refrigerator provides 4 large pockets that allow for easy organization according to the size and type of food you're storing. The jumbo pockets also let you store large bottles of beverages. The detachable egg tray is mobile, allowing you to place it anywhere and everywhere. The detachable Clean Guide is an antibacterial filter that allows for easy filter replacement. Clean Guide also acts as a bottle organizer, preventing bottles from toppling over. The water tank, which connects to the water dispenser at the front, is detachable, making it easy to clean. Smart Cooling, Smart Space Solution, Smart Design. The refrigerator with the unique cooling system to keep your products fresh, optimized to guarantee you get the most of your refrigerators and designed to be simple but savvy. The smart system takes everything into consideration to ensure best user experience for people all across the world. This is the new generation TMF. Value beyond imagination. Daewoo Electronics.